Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First we take a look at the headlines. July over but Salaulim and Hanjun dams still water deficient. Deficiency might lead to scarcity of water after monsoon. A special report. People feel government should have taken them into consideration before making rule for compulsory helmets for rider and pillion. Says it's not possible for two-wheeler commuters to carry two helmets. Preparation begins for the most awaited festival Chavath. Work commences of preparing Ganpati idols. The police seized liquor worth rupees 45,000 at Patra Devi checkpost. Liquor boxes were smuggled in the guise of fertilizer boxes. And faced with questions on football's viability, Goa Football Association accepts suggestions in AGM. And now the news in detail. Salaulim and Hanjun dams supplying water to the people are still water deficient. The dams which earlier used to get filled by the first week of July have still not filled up. 60% of the Hanjun dam is filled while Salaulim dam is deficient by 100 centimeters. Water deficiency might lead to scarcity of water post the monsoon season.
Salaulim and Hanjun dams, which used to overflow during the first week of July every year, have still not filled up as July almost comes to an end. There was 237.52 hectometer of water in Salaulim dam in the first week of July last year. This year it was only 110 hectometer till 5th July. Now the July is almost over and there is only 141 hectometer of water, a deficiency of 100 hectometers of water. Officials from Water Resources Department say that only 60% of the Hanjun dam has been filled. Hanjun dam had attained 760 hectometer mark till the first week of July. Due to sudden drop in rainfall, this dam hasn't touched its maximum mark. Salaulim dam, which is source of drinking water to entire South Goa and some parts of North Goa too. The dam may attain its highest water level in couple of weeks if average rain continues. But as of date, the situation hints at a possible drinking water scarcity in the state. Our reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab.
Many people in the state feel the government should have taken people into consideration before making the rule of compulsory helmets for both the rider as well as the pillion. They say that it is not possible for the two-wheeler commuters to carry two helmets. Motorcycle pilots are upset over the decision of the government. Watch Pratik Parab's report.
ऑगस्टाच्यान दोगूय जाणांक हे फुडें आनी फाटीं मोटरसायकलीचेर बसता तांकां हेल्मेट कंपल्सरी करपाक सोदता. तर तुमी हायवे वयल्यान येता वयता आसतले, कोणाक फ्रेंडाक घेवन वयता येता, तेचे कडेन गाडी आसत कितें त्रास जातले अशें दिसता तुका?
म्हाका तेका हाडपाक मेळचें ना. कोण ते गरजो एक लोक आसा, कोण जाणटो जावं आपलो फ्रेंड कोणूय मेळ्ळो जर तेका एक बेगान एक पावतलो तो, तर त्या टायमार पावोंक शकचो ना. कित्याक हांव तिका व्हरोंक शकचो ना न्हू. कित्याक एकूच हेल्मेट, तेका लागून हांव दोन म्हाका एकूच हेल्मेट घेवन भोंवपाक जड जाता. तेका दुसऱ्या मनशाक आनी हाडूंक हेल्मेट खंय धरतलो? दोन हेल्मेट, एक माथ्यार आनी एक तकलेर धरतलो आनी जावचें ना न्हू घेवन. ते मातसो सरकारान हेजेर विचार करपाचो. आतां आमचे मेरशेन फाटीं आतां एक मणी मारला, दोन हेल्मेटां घातले आनी मणी मारले. हे प्रकार वाडटले म्हणजे कोण दोन हेल्मेट आतां कितें अशें पळोवंक शकता बाबा दोगूय हेल्मेट घालून कित्याक आसा, कितें विलेज लेवल खंय अशें. आनी हे तर सगळेंच डबल हें घालून मेळ्ळें ते चोरांक बरें पडटलें. कोणाक
त्रास जाता तांकां हे रिलॅक्सेशन दिवचें म्हणजे तांकां हे कंपल्सरी करचें न्हू अशें दिसता?
हय तशेंच न्हू. कितें सगळ्यांचो विचार घेवपाक तुवें
आनी बायलांक अशें बायलांक म्हणजे मागीर कितें कोण कोण आमाडो घालून बसलेले आसता फाटल्यान, मग आमाडो घातले तेजे ते घालून मेळना न्ही त्या खातीर. कसो चालीक ना तशें एकदम सक्त हें करपाचें न्ही, म्हणजे घालूकूच अशें करपाचें न्ही, कोण घालता तेंच्यांनी घालूं अशें.
हे दिवचे स्वातंत्र्य दिवचे
ते हितून मदीं जर म्हाका एक फ्रेंड मेळ्ळो त्या कडेन हेल्मेट ना तर मागीर कितें करपाचें वाटेर आतां जर आमी सगळें वयपाचें आसा फाल्यां ताका स्पेशल आपल्याक हेल्मेट घेवचें पडलें त्या कडेन गाडी ना ताका आपल्याक स्पेशल ओन हेल्मेट घेवचें पडलें कळ्ळें तुका
घातलें न्ही जावपाचेंच आसा कित्याक लागून ही 2 हेल्मेटांनी कोणाक घातले सुद्दां जाल्यार आमचे कस्टमर आहा ते घालचे नाका
अनेक प्रकारचे मदींच बसता गाडयेन कोणाक डिसीज जाल्ले आसता तेचे हेल्मेट काडून तो घालूंक शकना न्हू तशी हजारांनी हेल्मेटां दवरची पडटली आमी कॅरी करून हे पॉसिबल ना आमकां पायलटांक कोणाक
आतां कितें सद्या आमचे पळय धंदो असोच कुडीत पडलेलो आसा जर 2 हेल्मेटां जाय जाल्यार आनी म्हाका दिसना कांयच धंदो आसा आमी बेकार ह्यो सगल्यो गाडयो व्हरपाच्यो आनी विधानसभेच्या दारान लावपाच्यो.
A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
So celebrations will commence from 19th September and the preparations have already begun. Babuli Parji has something innovative to show us. Babuli, along with his family member and workers, have started molding different Ganesh idols into perfection. He says he starts his business 2.5 months prior to Chavat. Vinod Methar's report from Pedne.
Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations have another month and a half to go and the preparations are in full swing in Parshe Pedne. Meet Babuli Parji. He has already started his preparations. It has been over 35 years he is engaged into the business to give his customers variety of Ganesh idols.
तुम्ही कितके महिने पयली कामां सुरू करता?
2-3 महिने.
पण ह्या वर्सा काहीतरी ज्यादा आयले न्हू?
चवथ मातशी लेट गेली न्हू. श्रावण म्हयन्यान चडीत म्हयने म्हणटात तो वयल्यान. So late start.
It is believed that Ganesh idols should be prepared from china, clay or mud. An idol made with natural color looks more appealing and gives more bliss than the artificial colors.
खूप जण भायले असतात आणि आमचे फक्त आयतार असल्या कारणान आमची गर्दी नाजाल्यार एकदा तिगांकच काम करता पडटा.
हां बाकीचे भुरगे सगळे शाळेंत.
40 कॉला.
पण ते शाळेतून येयल्या उपरांत परत गणपती करपाक बसतात.
बसतात. सांजच्या टायमार ऑफ टायमार येवन मातसो हेल्प करप.
हां पण आवड आसा भुरग्यांक?
आवड आहा.
आणि पेंटिंगाचं काम मागीर तुमी केन्ना स्टार्ट करता?
सो ते 1 महिना म्हटलं 1 महिना तर 22 दिसा पेंटिंग
म्हणजे अष्टमीच्या टायमाचेर.
अष्टमीच्या पयलीं.
The Ganesh idols are made using a mold so that they can be made available for large number of people. When an idol is made manually, the artist gets an excellent opportunity to exhibit their artistic skill. The Ganesh idol should be made according to the science behind the idol. The trunk of the idol should be curved towards the left. Importance of the idol with a left-sided trunk is elucidated. A report of Vinod Mehtar for Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.